It's the girl Elo for life. Y'all want to know how I went from that style to this style? Then I need y'all to keep watching my video, okay? Okay guys, what I wanted to show you in this clip is exactly how I just pretty much put my hair in the pattern that I'm going to use to crochet my hair with. Now the hair that I'm using is Crochet Box Braided hair, and what I did was I put some singled plaits up in the front, around the back and side perimeters of my hair, and then what I did was I went on ahead and just cornrowed the middle parts of my hair, and I just used about 5 braids. I didn't show you doing that because you can see that on YouTube, and I just pretty much took the same technique from YouTube. But what you are going to see in this clip is the technique that I use to weave the crochet hair into my braid. The YouTuber that I got this from, as you saw, is Comfort Styles, and I thought the technique was so neat and different from the generic of just corn rolling your hair all the way back. Because the whole goal of this technique is to generally just to mimic like you have some singled handled, like you had singled braided your hair when actually you didn't. So what you'll see here is that she went ahead and crocheted the hair into her braid through the top part of root of her braid. And next, what she's doing is she's just taking a crochet hook. This is exactly the same thing that I did with my braided hair. And I'm going to just braid that in there and pull the hair right through. And it works perfectly, whether you're doing twists or whether you're doing this with some braided crochet hair. It doesn't matter which way you do it. And the only thing that I did differently in this technique is that I had actually taken the hair, my braided hair, and I wrapped my hair more from the end of my braided hair and pulled it through so I can just come through a little bit faster. But once you get a handle of this technique from doing 1 or 2 braids, it's not hard at all. So it took me no time just to get my crochet hair through here. But like I said, I really, really, really like this technique. And I also did the same thing on my daughter's hair. And I actually did use the twisted hair. And it works out just perfectly. So as you all can see again, she's just going to pull the hair through. Now I didn't use that much tension. You can see there's a little tension on there. I didn't do that. But I just used it. I did exactly what she did. Except for I just made it a little bit more looser on the ends. And this is what you see in this clip is what I've gotten to so far on my hair. And you can see how it's turning out perfectly. Yes. I cannot believe I did it, y'all. I was so happy. But everything is turning out perfectly great. And then in this next clip, you can actually see my finished results of my crochet style. And I absolutely loved it. Okay? I loved it. I think I did great for the first time doing crochet on my hair. I usually do it on my hair or my kids' hair. And the hair that I have in is about, I think it's 18 inches of the crochet hair. So this is my first time to actually do a crochet style on my hair. So because it's so hot outside, I just got tired of wearing the ponytails. I got tired of wearing the wigs. So I wanted to give my hair a break from just manipulating it for a while. So I decided to do box braids on my hair for the first time. So the brand that I use is by Shake and Go. And I don't have the, I do not have the cover part of the package, but I did buy 2 colors. What I have on my hair is a number 4 and a TT30. So I'm going to show you what those colors look like in a minute. So the inch of the hair, I believe this is like a 20 inches. So I don't know if you can see that, but let me take a couple of these braids out. Now I was very proud of myself for actually doing these box braids, crochet box braids in my hair. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I actually did not crochet my entire head. I only crocheted the back, part of the back, and used the plaits. Used single plaits in the front and on the sides, in the lower back, in my kitchen area, as well on the side. And the reason why I did that is because when I get ready to pull this up, I don't want it to have that crochet look where you have the braid crochet, the cornrows going back and your hair's going up. I wanted this style to actually mimic like I single-handedly put box braids in my hair, you know, one at a time. And I seen that method on YouTube, and I thought that was pretty neat. Now it did take some use to get into of feeding the hair through the actual my braided hair actually through the crochet hair. But let me show you the color. So this is the TT30. Now if you can see that real good. And I just wanted to add some color in my hair. Y'all see that? Looking at my camera. I like this color. It's pretty. And I probably could have did this whole color on my hair. Maybe next time I will do that. I love this color. But I just wanted to sprinkle some color in my braids. So I have it over here, some in the back, and I got some on this side. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera or whatever or whatnot, but you can definitely see that I have it in there, sprinkled into my braids. Now I did get like 9 packs, I think of it, 9 packs of hair, and each one of these packs there's about 14 crocheted box braids, which was great. So I only used like 5.5 packs of hair. I didn't want to put too many packs in my hair because I did not want my hair to be weighed down tremendously. I did not want these braids to be heavy. I don't want my head, you know, my neck to be hurting, all them kind of things like that. And that was the TT30 hair, and I also used the number 4. So I mixed the TT30 and the number 4 together to have this combination. Because like I said before, I just sprinkled in the TT30, and I think it was an excellent combination. I got a lot of compliments on my hair. Now, because this is my first time doing crochet braids on my hair, it took me a while. Simply because I was stopping and going. Then I was trying to get used to the technique of trying to feed the single braids through the braid. So once you get used to it and get a handle of it, it goes a lot quicker. I put like maybe 14 of those single braids in the front. Like I said, crochet this middle as you see in the video, and like on the side, I'm not sure how many I had around, maybe 6 to 8 going around the back perimeter of my head. But I love the style very much. I don't have any cons about the hair so far. Now this hair has been in my hair for 2 weeks now. So I kind of wanted to do the video where I've actually worn the hair for 2 weeks. And I don't have any cons. The ends are not coming apart yet. I do plan on leaving this in my hair for maybe about 4 to 5 weeks. And then I probably switch up my hairstyle. I was thinking about doing maybe some bomb twists in my hair, or some passion twists. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. But I was just trying to give myself a break from wearing wigs at this time. And it is like in the 90s here. And it is so freaking hot. It is so hot here. But if you are a person who's interested in doing some crochet braids, box braids, and maybe you're a beginner and maybe you want to do it, but you're just kind of unsure about doing it, I would just say go for it. Don't be scared to do anything. You know, you learn from your mistakes. I got kind of lucky because, like I said, I didn't want a lot of... I could have put more box braids on my hair, but I did not want that. I don't want a helmet head. I didn't want too many. I just wanted to be thin. Then I bought some of these little drills from, of course, your local beauty supply store. Now, each pack did cost $6.99. I think that's about the average of how much those packs cost when you're dealing with box braids. The box braids do come in different colors as well as, but this is my local beauty supply store. And they also come in a shorter length, like 14 inches, if you're interested in that. But I wanted myself to be longer, so I can put it up. So I probably will try different styles with this whatsoever. I just wanted to give, it wasn't a lot of tension on my hair. That's another reason why I wanted to do this. All you may know, if you don't know, I am going back to being natural. I'm in the phase of growing my hair back out again and being natural. if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I did do a texturizer on my hair, and it completely broke my hair off. So now I'm in this phase of growing my hair out. I will be doing a big chop soon. I need to just chop the texturized parts of my hair out, because it just seems like it just causing like more breakage or whatever, because you have those two different textures. So I will also be doing a video on that. But with that being said, I wanted to keep this video very short. I did not want to make it long at all. However, I love these feature. I think this no, Shake and Go. Duh. Shake and Go's box braids. And if you don't have these at your local beauty supply store, you can also get them online at Amazon. But with that being said, this is a nice go-to style, protective style, if you just want to give yourself a break. And like I said, I haven't worn braids in like years, okay? And for me to wear this style again, everybody just love my hair at work. I got a lot of compliments. So I would probably do more crochet styles on my hair. Like I said, I'm thinking about doing a bomb twist next, just to give myself a break. But with that being said, thank you all for watching my video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing more videos, not only just on beauty, but I will be doing more video. I'll be doing videos on low carb recipes, keto type of recipes. If you all are interested in that, I want to bring that to my channel, because I'm trying to get myself back together here. So with that being said, I will talk to you all later. And thanks for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I got some great videos coming for everybody. Okay? So until then, see you later. And God bless.